Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I just wanted to give a quick update about the status of my Model 3 that's at the service center right now. I'm supposed to pick it up this coming Friday, which is September 7th. I got a text from the service manager. He's actually been keeping me updated about the status of the car, and he also saw my video on YouTube also. So he's been keeping me updated. He's been asking me like some questions, and I've been asking him a lot of questions, because I was kind of really leaning toward just getting another Model 3 delivered. But he's asking me, you know, to give them a chance to try to fix everything, and they want me to see the car, you know, to make the final decision. So he said that he'll let me know when the car will be ready hopefully by Friday. He wants to see the car first because right now it's at the paint shop, and then they're going to take the car back to Tesla after everything has been, you know, reassembled back together. So like I said in the first video, I am willing to give them a chance. I want to see how it comes out. If I'm not satisfied with it, I'm going to demand a replacement car, because I shouldn't have to keep doing this. I should only have to do this once. It's a brand new car. But let's see how it goes. I've been seeing all your guys' comments, some good, some bad. Thank you to all the new subscribers and all those that have been hitting the like button. I really appreciate it. So I am going to post an updated video hopefully by Friday night, if not Saturday, but it depends if I'm going to get the car back or if I accept it. So stay tuned for a video, an update. I am going to post it. I do want to make one thing just clear about what happened when I got the car, because some of the comments, you know, a lot of people are saying to me, why did I accept the car in such condition, or you know, that I'm an idiot. I've been seeing a lot of those comments, and you know, I just want to make one thing clear. I got the car, and at first what I told them over at the delivery center, I noticed that the rim had a dent. This is all at the delivery center. So there was a dent in the rim. There was the chips in the glass on the mirror on the inside of the car. They saw that too, and they noted all that. Also, there was a couple little bit of chips and stuff on the front of the car, and they saw all that. And then later down the road that day, that's when I noticed that the turn signal wasn't working. The steering wheel was not aligned perfectly. Like, the car would drive straight, it was fine, but you can tell the steering wheel was kind of off to the right. And from what I'm supposed to say, it's one click to the right, so it wasn't perfectly aligned with, you know, with the wheels. So and then I discovered more of the paint defects as I was like looking at the car more closely when I got home. It is hard to see like the defects on the car on pearl white. It's really hard. You have to look at it at an angle. That's really the only way you can see it. My whole idea was, when I got the car, I wanted to take it to be wrapped. I want to have that clear wrap so that it would protect the car. But the condition that the car was in, having all those little, you know, like the drops, some of the pieces of paint felt like dirt was stuck in it or something else, who knows. I wanted to have a smooth surface so that the guys that are putting the clear wrap on the car wouldn't have no issues. So luckily I found all that, you know, before I did all of that, because if I would have had taken the car to be wrapped, and then, you know, later down the road I would see all that, or I would feel it, that would have been really, really upsetting, because then I would have to find a way of getting the wrap redone again, the paint fixed over at Tesla service center, and then I would have to prove, like, I think this would be my thoughts, then I would have to explain the paint problems way later down the road. And do you think they're gonna fix all that? I have no idea. That's why I'm trying to do all this stuff right away. So I don't want people thinking that I made a huge mistake accepting the car in all of that condition. You know, at first it was just a few small things that I thought that things that could just be fixed and repaired really quick, no problem. So please keep that in mind. I'm not going to accept the car if it's not in the condition that I want it to be. And so I'm really, really detailed. Like, I can see the car, you know, because I detail cars on the side, and I can see these like small defects. Some people have been telling me, oh, this is small stuff, you're gonna get chips and stuff all over the car. I mean, it may be small, you know, but I want the car to be at least acceptable, you know, to me, in an acceptable condition. I've had some cars that I've purchased in the past that had small little minor things wrong with it, but nothing like this, especially for this price tag. So stay tuned. There is another video coming in a few days, hopefully by this weekend, and we will find out soon. Subscribe to this channel because there is an update coming, and let's all see what happens. And you guys are on the, you know, you're on the road with me to see what's gonna happen. All right, so thanks for watching. Hit that like button and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.